this is probably going to be my fastest review ever, because this is Magic the Gathering Jumpstart, and that's what we're opening up today, and we're going to do a quick review. Okay, so this is Magic the Gathering Jumpstart. Well, this is the box anyway. From what I can see, there is no indicator of what type of pack there is. And just to clarify, there is a total of, I believe, 46 different themes. So yeah, and there's 121 variations on booster packs. So this is going to be interesting. We'll see what kind of thing we get in here. Okay. Now, I believe these booster packs come with 2, which they do. That's it. There's nothing else in the box. Okay. Yeah. Again, there is no indication of what type of theme there is or anything. I don't think there's any demons in. Was that a troll or a frost giant? Anyway, I don't believe there's any indication. Yeah, there's nothing on here. None of that text has anything to do with what could be in here. So let's just open the first pack. We'll find out. Okay, can you tell I'm dysgraphic? Okay. Right, so there should be 20 packs in here, or 20 cards in here. And by the way, these are apparently, each of the packs have rarities. So let's see what we have here. Gigantic. Not sure what rarity this is, but here we go. So there's our legendary. Behemoth Caller. Whenever you cast a creature spell with mana value 5 or greater, that creature enters the battlefield with X additional +1/+1 counters on it, where X is the mana value -4. Ooh. Well, that is our legendary. Okay, so that is a rare. Not a mythic rare, but still a rare. So that's kind of cool. Ooh. So that's 2 rares. That's cool. Whenever engulfing Slagworm blocks or becomes blocked by a creature, destroy that creature, you gain life equal to that creature's toughness. That's a cool card. Okay, next we have Paradise Druid. Has hexproof as long as it's untapped. Nice. Thrashing Brontodon. Again, these are into our rares. Wait, was that? Yeah. So these are our rares now. Towering Gibbon. Cool. That has to be a King Kong reference. Large. Cool. Right, so yeah, I'm getting the theme. This is all very much... this is all very much to do with giant stuff. Overgrowth. Whenever Enchanted Land is tapped for mana, its controller adds an additional... Cool. I'm going to use that for my deck. Oh, these are very cool cards. I like this. Raven Grove. Enters the battlefield tapped. As Raven Grove enters the battlefield, choose a color other than green. Okay, well, I'll use white because my Emil the Blessed deck... Okay, cool. And that's our rest of our cards. And now we're back to the start. Okay, that's very cool. I like that pack. Nice. So that was our gigantic deck. Now let's open this one and see what we have in here. Okay, that one was actually easier to open. So that's cool. All right. Now, the purpose of Jumpstart is you would take that deck that I just opened and you would mix it with this one, shuffle them together, and it gives you all the lands and everything that you need to play. So let's see what deck we get here. Elves. Oh, so this is going to be a very green deck. Elvish Warmaster. Okay, that's another very cool legendary. Whenever one or more other elves enter the battlefield under your control, create a 1/1 green elf warrior token. You know how I said that I run an Emil the Blessed? I could blink that in and out of existence. That'd be very good. Oh, we don't have a double rare, but still very good. Enters the battlefield, you control another elf, create a +1 or a 1/1 green elf warrior token. Cool. Reclamation Sage. Enters the battlefield, you may destroy a target or enter. Okay, yeah, this is again more stuff that I can use in my deck. So this is cool. Creature Elf Scout. Wind Bow. Sequefiable. Reckless Amplimancer. An Amplimancer, whatever the heck that word is. Elvish Rejuvenator, Ivalian Denizen, Elderleaf Mentor, Might of the Masses, Roots of Wisdom, and together. Thriving Grove. Again, as Thriving Grove enters, choose a color other than green. Add 1 mana, add that or 1 mana to the chosen cell. Again, be going white. So yeah, what you would do in this is you would just, as I say, shuffle these together, these two decks. They've got all the actual like mana cards you need in there. Shuffle them together, bish bash bosh, you can play against somebody. It's that quick to get up and going. Like, you can't beat that. Just so you know as well, some of these cards can go up to 50 quid. Now, none of these ones here, but there have been, in some packs, there have been basically some item or some cards, the rarities up there that they have, or their mythic rare area or whatever they call them, and they are worth actual money. This is Emiel the Blessed. This is actually my commander that I use for my deck, and I pulled this from a Jumpstart pack. And yeah, as you can see there with that exile another creature, target creature you control, then return to the battlefield, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's going to work with some of these cards really well. So that's kind of cool. Would I recommend this? Yes, because you literally just buy one pack and you mash them together and you can play against your mates. They do the exact same thing. What is there not to love about that? Okay, yeah, it's a little bit, you need to learn how to play, but at the same time, this is perfect for the people who want to just start with a basic investment, a little bit of cash, boom, there you go, you're sorted. It's like you're playing, you're off, you're on to the races. And the best thing about it is, because of the rarity of some of these cards as well, you can actually make some serious bank on those boxes. Now, that's just me. I really don't actually know that for a fact. Check out Tolarian Community College. They have a full review on buying a box set of these boosters and how much you would actually get from them. Much better than going for me, who literally, this is how I started playing Magic the Gathering, was through Jumpstart. If it wasn't for Jumpstart, I wouldn't have this cool deck, and I wouldn't have something really cool to play with my mates, something that we can share an interest with, a reason for us to meet up, have coffee or something like that, and actually just sit for an hour or two just playing cards. Like, it's great. What I'm saying is Jumpstart's kind of like a gateway drug. Anyway, folks, that is the quickest review I'll probably ever do. Thanks for watching. Check out my other review of Laeral Silverhand's Explorer's Kit, and yeah, take care. Have a good day.